Hey everyone, Ryzen here. Today I want to talk about something that's really improved my audiobook experience as a non-native English speaker. Fiction has always captivated me, and I find audiobooks to be the perfect medium to experience it. While most audiobooks are in English, which isn't my native language, I've developed strong proficiency in it over the years. However, fiction often introduces rare words that remain unfamiliar to non-native speakers, especially those of us who don't live in English-speaking countries. My goal is simple: learn these words to enhance my audiobook experience. After all, the fewer unknown words I encounter, the more vivid and immersive the story becomes in my mind. In this video, I'll walk you through a practical solution for expanding your vocabulary while enjoying audiobooks. I've developed a TypeScript script that helps identify and extract unfamiliar words, making the learning process more systematic. The complete implementation is available on GitHub, with a link in the description if you'd like to try it yourself or build upon it. There are 3 files specific to you in this project. First, the input.epub, which is the book from which you want to extract words. Second, the output.txt file, which will contain all the new words from the book you provided. And third, the ignore words txt file, which will include all the words you already know or wish to ignore. To get started, install the dependencies with yarn, then navigate to the product words directory, run yarn start to process your book, and the script will generate an output.txt file containing all the new words found in your text. The implementation processes the book in several steps. First, it extracts all words from the pub file and loads your list of known words. It then filters out words that are too short, already known, or incorrectly spelled according to the English dictionary. For each remaining word, it determines the base form. For example, run becomes run, to avoid learning different forms of the same word separately. Finally, it saves the unique set of new base words to the output file. The core functionality for extracting words from EPUB files relies on the EPUB package to parse the book's content. The implementation processes each chapter sequentially, stripping HTML tags and breaking the text into sentences. For each sentence, we extract individual words while applying several filters, removing punctuation, handling white space, and excluding numbers. To maintain consistency with English text conventions, we convert first words of sentences to lowercase only if they are common words, and for other positions, we exclude words that start with capital letters to avoid including proper nouns. This approach helps focus on learning common vocabulary rather than names of places. To handle different word forms effectively, we need to extract the base form of each word. For example, we want to treat running, runs, and run as variations of run. The get word base form function uses the compromised natural language processing library to handle these conversions. It processes words through several steps, first checking if it's a noun that needs to be converted to singular form, then attempting to find the infinitive form of verbs, and finally handling adjective and adverbs. For adverbs specifically, we maintain a mapping of common suffixes to transform them back to their adjectival form if possible. After running the script, I review the words in the output.txt file and look up any unfamiliar ones in a ChatGPT chat to learn their meanings. As I process each section of familiar words, I add them to the ignore words txt file, ensuring they won't appear in subsequent runs of the tool. If you found this solution helpful for your language learning journey, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical coding solutions. Let me know in the comments if you've tried similar approaches or have any questions about implementing this tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.